These Huffman High School Academy of Architecture and Construction students are in the process of bringing life to this tiny home. Now tell us exactly where you all are in the construction phase of building the tiny house and what exactly is left to do.
Like this week, we just put the drywall and the finishing wall and stuff like that. We got all the drywall in the ceiling, got all the walls down. We got some more drywall to put up and stuff, like all the walls in here and stuff. And what we got left, we got to do like the wiring ran and like the for all the power and stuff, all the cables and stuff, the water and heat and stuff like that, and put the rest of the walls up over here.
What specifically do you think you're learning from building this tiny house?
We've been working on this tiny house since like the trailer. Like we really started building it to the ground up, and I feel like I really learned a lot doing this project because like it taught me how to like do the wiring. We had to manually cut these and put all the wires throughout the whole house. Like under all these is wires throughout this whole thing.
Now, prior to start work on this tiny home, the construction students collaborated with these architecture students who designed the house inside this very exclusive printing and design room.
That's exactly how I looked at those 3 transom windows. So we had to make sure that we got that.
Tell people what all goes into you all's contributions to the tiny house from the architecture side of things.
We talk about the plugs, the wires, and how stuff is going to be as far as it come with building the tiny house. When we come in here, it's basically like a sketch. We sketch it out, we look at it, talk about where everything's going to be as far as the plugs.
Through the Academy of Architecture and Construction, these students have the choice of either the architecture or construction pathway. What is most intriguing to you about construction?
And I always had a passion for construction. Ever since I was a little boy, ever since I was like 10, 9. Because I used to build stuff with my granddaddy. And ever since then, I like it, it's fun.
This is Terence Marzette, Huffman's lead architecture and construction instructor. Talk about how architecture and construction students help one another.
They both go together hand in hand, side by side, just like in the real world. Once these students design it, those construction students, they give input in the design so far as the architectural part.
The Academy has a partnership with the National Academy Foundation, along with the University of Alabama at Birmingham, with the goal being to support these scholars in their future endeavors after they graduate high school. Exactly what types of opportunities are available to these students through this academy?
The actual drafting students, they have an opportunity to get their professional certification, as well as an actual certification in the field of their choice, as well as the actual construction students.
Exactly how is being in this academy benefiting you?
I appreciate this class because it gave me opportunities and different things to learn and put on my mind and stuff like that. So you know what I'm saying, it really gets you started, like what you want to do with your life and like career-wise and stuff like that.
Talk about how this academy is potentially life-changing for you all as students.
Some students, they might want to pursue a career in construction. And, I feel like this class and architecture class, this is a great place to start. Like, it gives you all the tips you need to know, everything you need to know, very safe environment, very fun environment.
So now AI is coming into play. So our next tiny house that we're going to go ahead and do, we're going to go ahead and incorporate it with AI, artificial intelligence.
As you can see, these scholars are already very busy brainstorming ideas for the Academy's next tiny home project as they plan to complete the current tiny home very, very soon. I'm Jalen Holloway, BCS Media.